Okay, so here's a computer. Absolute Software Computrace is turned on in the BIOS, and I put Windows 10 on it yesterday. Everything was fine with Windows 10 on it yesterday. This morning, after Windows 10 did a feature update, it doesn't work at all. So, I come in, I run check disk, it says that the boot sector is corrupt and unreadable, so it has to use the backup boot sector. So, I want to show you what I see whenever I get on this computer and I pull up the boot sector for the partition that Windows is installed on. See all this fun hex stuff? Yeah, take a look at this. See that? MZ. The first two characters are MZ. They're supposed to be NTFS, but they're MZ. This is a DOS or Windows executable. Now, what DOS or Windows executable is this that has been pushed into the boot sector, overriding the actual boot code? Oh, I don't know. Let's go down. Let's go down. Oh, look at that. What's that? Oh, I see something. RPCNetP? Yep, this is Absolute Software's Computrace. It has overwritten the Windows 10 boot sector, rendering the computer unbootable. And Computrace cannot be disabled. So, I have no confidence that if I fix this boot sector, it won't mangle it again. We have a backup boot sector here that we can output to the hard drive. Come on up. See, I did a BIOS update and everything. Thanks, Computrace. Let me show you the offending setting. Security. Computrace. You see this? It is activated. Once it's activated, you cannot turn it off. There is no way to turn it off, which means this computer forever presents a risk of overwriting the master boot record of Windows 10 so that it can't boot. This is a business computer. The business relies on it. Computrace is cancer.